Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to Fun Fridays with me, Miss Kristine. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have a really fun physics experiment that we're going to try today. It's called the Unspillable jar. So we're going to start with a mason jar, and I filled it about 3/4 with water, and then you just need an index card that's going to be big enough to cover the mouth of the glass jar. So what we're going to do is cover this, hold it with our palm, and flip it over. Let's think about what might happen. The water could come rushing out, right? Or maybe it will stay in the jar. So I'm going to hold this flat with my palm, and I'm going to do it over the sink just in case, and we're going to flip it. So let's see what happens when I remove my hand. Voila, it does stick. That's pretty cool, isn't it, boys and girls? So let's talk about why this is happening. It kind of looks like it might be a magic trick, but really there are physical forces that are keeping this card in place. One of them is air pressure. Air pressure surrounds us all the time. It's surrounding this jar and the card, and it's keeping it in place. In order for water to come rushing out of this jar right now, you would need air circulating in the jar. But we don't have any air circulating because the card is covering the mouth of the jar. We also have adhesion at work. That's when this card, because it's wet, is sticking to a surface. And we also have surface tension. The water itself is sticking to itself because it is wet. So we have all these forces at play that are keeping this card stuck on to the bottom of our jar. So that's our unspillable jar. So give it a try at home, do it over a sink, just in case you have any leaks. But we've had this on now while I've been talking, and I see a little water coming out, but it's still stuck on there. So you could even time yourself and see how long that card will be stuck on the jar. Well, thanks for watching today, and have fun experimenting with physics.